Good afternoon, respected faculty members. I am Dr. Surbhi Sharma, postgraduate student first year in the Department of Prosthodontics and Crown Bridge of Shri Guru Ramdas Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, Amritsar. A very well-known slogan for every prosthodontist is God creates, we recreate. So I would like to present a video on the topic, a novel technique for replicating a natural palatal anatomy onto maxillary permanent denture base within an even thickness.
The anterior third of the palate has been referred to as a playground of tongue, and when these structures are covered by a denture, the proprioceptive feedback mechanism is changed, and naturally, dentures affect phonetics, which causes a temporary change in the articulation of speech sounds. So the purpose of this video is to replicate quick and easy method of adding entire individualized natural anatomical palatal contour in even thickness onto the permanent denture base, including the incisive papilla, midpoint and raphe, and palatal rugae to a newly fabricated complete denture. The main component of the whole technique are maxillary mastercast and 2 mm thick metal plate. The armamentarium for the technique are maxillary mastercast, the flask, the metal plate which is a 2 mm thick, dental plaster, spatulas, BP blade, carver, Beck's knife, heat polymerizing denture base resin, porcelain jar for mixing the denture base resin, and the separating media. Before starting, the maxillary mastercast should be duplicated as the technique can result in the breakage of the cast. To reproduce the exact natural anatomy of the palatal surface, known as anatomical contour in even thickness, without losing the original surface details of the impression, the modified denture base will be prepared by using a dental stone mastercast placed in the bottom half of the dental flask and the cast, and metal plate is fitted on the lower half of the flask onto setting dental plaster so that it can be easily adjusted when used while curing, and then painted with the separating media. Undercuts in the mastercast should be blocked out with the molding wax to facilitate the easy separation of the flask. The upper half of the flask is placed in a position in close contact with the lower half, and the dental plaster is poured to fill up the flask along with gentle tapping to avoid air bubbles or voids. Then the lid is closed, the flask is tightened by clamping, and the dental plaster is allowed to set completely before opening the flask. The lower half of the flask is separated without distorting the cast. The molding wax covering the undercuts is removed. The dental plaster replicating the natural anatomical contour of the palate are held up in the upper half of the flask. Separating media is applied over the mastercast in the lower half of the flask. Similarly, the separating media is applied over the upper half of the flask. The heat polymerizing denture resin is mixed with correct powder and liquid ratio in accordance with the manufacturer's direction. The resin dough is rolled and flattened on the upper half of the flask. Then indigenously designed metal placed with a standardized thickness of 2 mm is adapted with the rim of lower half of the flask. And then the upper half of the flask is placed over the metal plate and the flask is placed in the press. When the flask is closed completely, it is transferred to the spring clamp to make it tighter. Then the curing procedure is carried out. After completion of the curing, the flask is removed and bench cooled. After deflasking, the denture base is retrieved from the stone cast and the permanent denture base is trimmed for the excess and shaped and polished. The processed permanent record base is achieved with even thickness, and the exact surface details of the master cast on the polished palatal surface are obtained. Or it can be used for the occlusal rim fabrication and to record jaw relation, then for the teeth arrangement and the trial. After completing the trial, the wax trial dentures are cured and the dentures will come out with the exact palatal contour as was on the denture base. Thank you and have a nice day.